There's a lot more to lubricant conditioning than cost savings, but quite often it's actually a barrier. The amount of money that's being spent on filtration and maintenance is often a line item in a budget, and it shouldn't be. It should actually be something much bigger than that. And rather than having a budget of X to accomplish lubricant conditioning of Y, what you need to really understand is that there is a money multiplier in effect. So in economics, for every dollar that is put into the economy, it creates 3 or 4 more dollars. But the same thing can work in reverse. The money you're losing right now, you're not even aware of it. And it's because you're using maintenance as a line item in your budget. If you could expand the scope of your lubricant conditioning budget, improve your analysis program, and improve your maintenance program, then you will actually generate an additional dollar profit for your company or an additional $1 million in profit for your company. And just like the money multiplier that works, that $1 million can then be used towards ESG initiatives. But right now, the money is scarce. But if we create room for ESG through proper maintenance, which is what you should already be having in the first place, then you can really take advantage of this and get your programs to the next level, generate a bunch of cost savings, which then puts your management and your ownership in a position where they can use those resources now, those new resources, to expand ESG initiatives.